Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Writing 213. This week you will be continuing to direct a lot of your own reading through your career research project. I've also included one article for you. You'll need to log in using your UAA login, the same as you use for your email. And it's Soft Skills for the Workplace. It's a 2013 publication that you may decide to cite in your career research project. The most important thing we're doing this week is peer review. Research shows time and time again that response from peers is the most valuable exercise we can engage in at this stage in the writing process. So starting on Monday, click this blue share button up here. You can find your group members' email addresses in the course directory. Make sure you give them editing status. And I've included some questions here for you that might direct your response, but remember, your organic, authentic response to your peers' work with the purpose of helping them to move their draft forward is the intention of this activity. So, work together to try to help one another to do better in your drafts. That's what peer review is all about. Next week, your career research project will be due on the 24th. So this week I'm traveling to Chicago to present in a conference, and so I'll actually be in flight during my office hours this week. I do have some gaps in my schedule though, so if you need to meet, just send me an email and let me know some times that work for you, and I bet I can arrange a short meeting. You can also just tag me on questions in your draft anytime, and then I can just pop in when I can. Good luck polishing your drafts, everyone, and remember that another set of eyes is a powerful tool in the drafting process. Take care.